This is the anatomy. Okay, you should know. Rectal cancers, in the beginning of the lecture I told you, it's a bit tricky. Read the question carefully. 4 centimeter from anal verge, 3 centimeter from examiner will confuse you. First of all, check the distance has been given from dentate line or anal verge. Please don't jump. Read the distance. They'll give you a situation. There is a 4 centimeter malignancy in the rectum, 3 centimeter from the dentate line, or 6 centimeter from the anal verge. So check, because there is this is the dentate line, this is the anal verge. They do have 3.54 centimeter distance. Okay. First of all. Second, I'm just giving you straightforward punchlines. Okay, this is how I used to remember in my times, and these principles I follow even today in teaching and in clinical practice also. So that's one. Second is, dentate line is a line of sphincters. This is the dentate line. So these are the sphincters, internal and external sphincter, internal, external sphincter. This is a line of sphincters. So above dentate line, we can save the sphincters. Below dentate line, we cannot save. So this is one. So first of all, check the distance, repeating again, because this is important. Second, dentate line is a line of sphincters. If your resection is involving dentate line, then you cannot save the sphincters. You have to remove it. If it is above the resection is above the dentate line is saved, preserved, then you can save the sphincters. You know the meaning of saving the sphincters. It's a big boon for the patient, right? A normal fecal passage. Third point is distal margin of resection. How do you decide that your resection is encroaching the distal, dentate line or not? Distal margin of resection. In colon, you take it 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. You have bit length of colon. You have lot of length. You can extend. You can go 2-3 centimeter beyond. It won't be a very short. But rectum, you don't have a margin. So 2 centimeter is ideal. 1 to 2 centimeter is ideal. Distal, proximal, again you have colon. You can go till entire sigmoid colon. 1 to 2 centimeter is ideal, and minimum is 5 millimeter. In post chemo patients, you can go till even 5 millimeter. Okay, but ideal is 1 to 2 centimeter. Okay, now I'll frame a question to make you understand this. Okay, there is a tumor in rectum, 4 centimeter from anal verge. One. Second, 8 centimeter from anal verge. Okay. So 4 centimeter from anal verge means this is anal verge. Roughly the tumor is at dentate line, just above the dentate line. So you add, even if you add 1 centimeter to this, that's a distal margin of this, it will go below the dentate line. So you have to remove the sphincters. 8 centimeter, 3 plus 4, roughly here. Even if you add 2, the margin of resection will be well above the dentate line. You can save the sphincters. So this is how you calculate. This is how you answer, right? Okay. Now you have different types of resections depending on levels of rectum. You know the rectum. This is the upper 1/3, mid 1/3, and the lower 1/3. Then dentate line. That's an anal canal. This is how simple.